Good afternoon. I am representing Team 3. Myself, Risha. I am the CEO and CMO of the company. Our company's name is Green Beyond Belief. Our topic is e-waste management and recycling. Our slogan is erasing your e-waste. Now I will introduce you my teammates. The COO of the company is Siddharth. The CHRO and the CFO of the company is Radha, and the CIO of the company is Akansha. Now, Akansha will further explain our business.
Thank you, Trisha, for giving me this opportunity. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Akansha Mahajan, the CIO of Green Beyond Belief. Now, let us understand why we started this business. So, we will begin business overview. Problem: e-waste materials such as chromium, cadmium, mercury, and lead can leach into the soil, contaminating the air and waterways. EPA estimates there are about 60 million tons of e-waste per year globally. There are numerous state laws that now ban e-waste in landfills. Through the recycling process, these materials can be reclaimed. Most electronic devices are nearly 100% recyclable. Meaning, when e-waste is tossed into landfills, these air leach into the soil, polluting the groundwater as well as the air. Electronics are made of components that contain valuable raw materials. Recycling saves energy. Reusing old devices prevents e-waste by keeping it out of landfill. As a result of recycling, energy is saved, pollution is reduced, and there are fewer greenhouse gas emissions released into the atmosphere. So, what is the solution for this? The easiest solution to this is Green Beyond Belief. Our business will help us to recycle and reuse e-waste. The main step to be taken is to buy e-waste from the scrap buyers and then segregation the e-waste. Then the process will include taking the e-waste to our factory, recycling it, and convert it to a new usable product. And then later the parts would include selling those recycled products through our offline stores. Our product. Green Beyond Belief has great reputation for being trusted expert in the recycling management of waste electronics. The unwanted equipment brought to our experienced team is recycled in responsible and environmental way. Green Beyond Belief serves customers both large and small, from private customers to large corporations. Now let us understand the scenario of e-waste management and have a market outlook. India is emerging as one of the world's major electronic waste generators and likely to generate 52 lakh metric tons per annum by 2020. From the current level, 18 lakh metric tons, growing at a compound annual growth rate of about 30%. Now let's have a look of our vision, mission, and our goal. Our vision is to spread the concept of e-waste recycling all over the world and make it popular to save the environment and to make our company popular across the world. We will be accomplishing our vision with teamwork and public support and use of minimal electronic waste. Our goal is to enrich people with technology in low cost and knowledge in high amount to save the next generation by recycling e-waste. The further information would be given by our COO Siddharth.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Good afternoon, Sharks. My name is Siddharth Patil. I am the Chief Operator Officer. I will be looking after the operation part of our company. As a COO, I'm responsible for 4 major areas: selection of the best suitable place to set up the factory, the input materials and its processing through various operations to get our final product. I'm also responsible for future expansion of our company. Place. In India, the maximum e-waste, that is around 30%, is getting generated in Delhi and Mumbai. E-waste is already available at cheaper rates in these 2 cities. So we are planning to establish our factory in these 2 cities. Material required: To establish our own factory, we will be focusing on 3 M's. First M is men, which includes skilled and semi-skilled laborers, technical experts. Second M is machineries, which includes waste ballers, waste shredders, reel cutters, and logistics such as trucks, dumpsters, and forklifts. Third M is method. This includes conveyor belt with stop and go or continuous assembly for dismantling or reassembling the e-waste to get the final product. We are planning to provide a high-speed assembly line to cater the needs of people who cannot afford devices. Expansion plan. We are having a well-laid expansion plan in coming 5 years. With this, we are targeting other metro cities like Ahmedabad, Chennai, Kolkata. We intend to open shops in Mumbai and Delhi to sell our recycled product in cheaper rate for poor people. These are the 3D models made by me, which are going to explain the flow. They explain first we have to separate e-waste from garbage and buy e-waste. Then we bring that e-waste in our factory. Then we will fix all bits of e-waste and join them together. After joining every bit, the final product will be ready. We will sell that product in cheaper price so that poor people can also buy our products. Thank you. So I would like to hand over this presentation to Twisha, CEO.
Thank you, Siddharth, for giving me this opportunity. Let us talk about the offline promotions. For offline promotions, we will be conducting seminars in and in the top 10 cities of India and to spread the awareness. And we will be distributing pamphlets. We will be holdings putting up the holdings in 15 to 20 holdings in major 10 cities of India. And for online promotions, we will be using web page, mobile application, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. For campaign ideas, we will be participation in trade fairs, expo by organizing promotional events in schools and colleges, walk-in counters or stalls with promotional events at malls, public places. Now I would like to show us the poster of our company. Next up is our advertisement video.
The constant advancement of our world's technology, electronic equipment is rendered obsolete in the blink of an eye. These broken, discarded, and obsolete products are known as e-waste, and it all too often ends up in the trash. This is a very poor way of dealing with these items for a few reasons. The first reason is that these items can be recycled and have many more years of productive usage in another form. The dangers of e-waste. More importantly, e-waste needs to be properly handled, as many of these items contain dangerous substances like chemicals, beryllium, cadmium, lead, and mercury. Having these products end up in our dump sites is a danger to society. The process of recycling e-waste. The actual recycling involves the dismantling of the item and the removal of many different e-waste parts, some of which could contain dangerous substances that should not just end up in a landfill. Plastics will be separated, CRT removed, non-ferrous and ferrous metals will be segregated, and circuit boards will be removed. Even precious metals like gold, lead, or copper can be recovered using various chemical processes.
Now I would like to hand over to Radha.
Thank you, Twisha, for giving this opportunity to me. I am the CHRO and CFO of the company, thus handling the finance part of the company. One-time investment. We need at least around 3 crore for our first investment and starting our company. From the invested money, we would like to bifurcate into 3 parts. The first part would include renting an office, buying office supplies, salary of the employees, and so approximately 1.5 crores will be needed for the office supply. The second bifurcation will approximately require 70 lakhs. As most of our parts come from the junkyard, so our cost price will be reduced much as compared to the other companies. As it's a new company, we would like to give more importance in our advertising. We will run our campaign in social media like Insta and Twitter, advertise in newspapers, and collab with YouTubers. Approximately 80 lakhs will be needed for advertising. As our raw materials are cheaper than the other companies, so we will be able to sell our products between 10,000 to 50,000 rupees. We can take a mobile phone for example of profits. If we manufacture it for rupees 4,000 to 5,000 and sell it for rupees 10,000, then we will be able to gain rupees 5,000 to 6,000 profit approximately, and our low prices will be attracting people to buy our products. Fundings required. Of course, we will require 60% fundings from investors and 40% fundings from the bank. So this was our business plan. Hope you like it as we have worked very hard for it. Thank you so much, Sharp, for listening to our business plan. Also, I would like to thank all the team members for cooperating, followed by special thanks to Kavyansh sir and Rahul sir for providing your guidance to us. Thank you.